Is it time to buy or sell GRRR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore GRRR Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 5th of February, 2025, our system has ranked GRRR Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing an impressive gain of 143.14% since we initially recommended purchasing shares of GRRR Technology Group 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of 7.53% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Any potential pullback will find support at the broken level of $37.78, which may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $52.14 will be the next possible peak level, likely posing a resistance that may not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 106.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 27.03% and 104.94%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 101.41%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 47.69% and 39.94% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $19.93 and $53.32. Our latest daily update for GRRR Technology Group includes the headline, Significant Movements in GRRR Technology Group Inc. stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 37.26% between high and low. The GRRR Technology Group Inc. stock price increased by 18.21% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, rising from $32.23 to $38.10. It has now experienced gains for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to climb or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 37.26%, ranging from a low of $29.39 to a high of $40.34. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 43.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $344.34 million. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes over the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $40.34, while the lowest was $2.09. Currently, the price is 5.56%, or $2.24, below the 52-week high and 69.40%, or $86.40, below the all-time high reached on January 3, 2023, when the price peaked at $124.50. GRRR Technology Group, listed on NASDAQ as GRRR, recently secured a monumental agreement worth $1.8 billion to lead Thailand's largest energy digitization initiative. This ambitious, artificial intelligence-driven project aims to modernize electricity distribution and enhance energy efficiency over the next 15 years. The scale of this agreement positions GRRR at the forefront of transforming infrastructure in a rapidly evolving market, potentially driving significant revenue growth in both the short and long term. In addition, GRRR has been featured in the NASDAQ Amplify Issuer Spotlight, highlighting its global expansion and innovation in artificial intelligence. This increased visibility can attract more investor interest, positively influencing stock sentiment. Furthermore, GRRR recently closed its at-the-market program, reaffirming its commitment to shareholder value and eliminating concerns about stock dilution. Combined with a reported revenue projection of $90 to $100 million for 2025 and a strong growth outlook, this background creates a favorable environment for GRRR investors. Potential short-term volatility may arise as the market reacts to these developments, but the long-term outlook remains optimistic, fueled by the company's involvement in smart cities and artificial intelligence applications across various sectors. These factors could solidify GRRR's position as a strong player in the technology and energy sectors, ultimately impacting its stock price positively. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned GRRR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 8th of April, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to GRRR Technology Group stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for GRRR Technology Group. The stock of GRRR Technology Group Inc. displays buy signals short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be found at levels of $27.74 and $20.36. Should the stock drop below either of these thresholds, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has appreciated by 227.04%. Continued upward movement is expected until a new peak pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 36 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 66 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 114 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 107 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GRRR Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.23 and $30.34. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, GRRR Technology Group Inc. finds support just below today's level at $32.23. If this level is broken, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $30.34 and $30.26. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $10.95 between its high and low, which represents a 37.26% change. For the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 26.03%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for GRRR Technology Group, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GRRR Technology Group. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, GRRR Technology Group encounters its first support level at $32.23. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $36.92, representing a decline of 3.10%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 35 days ago. Is GRRR Technology Group stock a good buy? GRRR Technology Group Inc. presents several positive signals. However, these do not sufficiently justify a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we anticipate GRRR Technology Group to open lower by $2.15, starting at $35.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.